Radio which war car. Boot which war har kun cheese which. जी happy new year चीज़ है. Good. Which boot बता रहे which boot मला गोबरी Samsung गोबरी. Good. Good. It is 5099 year 22/3/2023, ladies and gentlemen, and this is as per the Saptrishi, seven sages who were given the first teaching by Mahadev Shankar more than 15,000 years ago. This is the currency, ladies and gentlemen. This is the currency, 5099 years. And as per the Kashmiri Pandits parlance, this is my almanac. These are do and do nots for the year. This is Vijeshwar Panchang. And as per the rest of the Indian subcontinent, it is 2080 years of Vikrami. And just see, Kashmiri Pandits have started now writing that Nirvasan means the seventh exodus of Kashmiri Pandits in 1990. It is also now 34th year, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the almanac. This is the referral for 1 year 2023. This is on our NAVREH. Now, and Mummy will also sign it. She will put a signature with her pen on the new year. यार बोले ब्याग दी नहीं पेन मोला राड भी पेन गोरी राड भी पेन कैसी राड भी मोला राड भी पेन. So all these things are this is rice, this is cooked rice, this is walnuts. She has to sign it also there. It is signed and by 2 minutes per the mola sign. Shanta Kher. Shanta Kher has to be. No, Terikar CM City, Rat भी मोला, राड भी एम सितन. आसे राट एम सितन. Pen सितन. Tolmas. It is on the new year of 2023. It is Happy New Year 2023 to NAVREH. And also in Iran, in the Persian, it is Navroz around this time, ladies and gentlemen. And Shanta Kher, she has put the signature on 22nd March 2023 and gave her stamp of approval. This is the happy feeling, this is the good sign, this is the positivity in life, and no mental diseases, no physical diseases, no negativity from all the heart filled with love and affection, empathy and humility. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you elsewhere 3 dimensions of life: the physical life, physical body, physical health. The mental health means mind health, and heart health means the emotional health. So 3 healths we have to very effectively and very clearly take care of. And then Shanta Kher in English signature, and Shanta Kher on in Hindi, and then putting the signature by Mom the Best, Shanta Kher, in English. This is the signature of on the check and on the first almanac of this by Shanta Kher the Best, Mom the Best. And at the same time you can see that what and what not is there. This is the cooked curd. This is the roti, and this is the noon, salt. These are the and these are the wash, flowers, petals of rose, and just this is the currency. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, this is the walnut. Walnut means the four dimensions. Hindu philosophy. 4 dimensions means 4 Veds. Yurved, Samved, Atharved, bhai? Yajurved, Atharved, Samved, Rigved. These are the 4 Veds. You just see that Kashmiri Pandits are so flexible, so even if they don't know the 4 Veds, they are to the core. They are 100% following this Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma is just in our nerves and in our blood. It is in our nerves and it is in our blood. Nobody can say that if we don't know the 4 names of the Veds, we are not Hindus. We are not Sanatani. Sanatani means eternal, and which embraces all the facts and all the do and do nots of this cosmos and the life. That is Sanatan Dharma. It is no religious practice. It is living life the way the God and the Almighty has ordained and ordered us to live on this Mother Earth. That is known as Sanatan Dharma, and we are proud as Kashmiri Pandits to be celebrating this 5099th year, ladies and gentlemen, on this day of 22nd March 2023. Counting on going, no looking back, no stopping, only going ahead and walking and completing the journey of the present life on this Mother Earth and the journey of our soul, which says in Sanatan parlance, it is moksha, it is salvation, and getting rid of this 16 lakh yoni, 16 lakh 1.6 millions of birth and death. That is what each and every Hindu, each and every Sanatani is looking in his life. He wants moksha, he wants salvation, and that is what is needed by you and me. Thank you. God bless. Happy New Year, ladies and gentlemen. It was on a very beautiful note with the blessings of Mother Shanta Kher on this 22nd March 2023. The NAVREH of Kashmiri Pandits. And when the whole of the Kashmir vale is blossoming with flowers, blossoming flowers, and Bamon, the name of my son, Bamon Kher, that is Ankur for my sister's son, Ankur the Panshu Trisal name. And ladies and gentlemen, what else I need to tell you? The thing is that on every occasion, on every occasion, on every day, the referral book is this 5099th year of Kashmiri Pandits. That is the almanac, that is the Bible, that is the Panchang, and that is the Nechpatar of Kashmiri Pandits for 2023. God bless Kashmiri Pandits, God bless humanity, God bless Kashmir, and God bless India, Bharatvarsh, and the whole of the humanity. Thank you.